Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I've got something really awesome to show you all. It's another new budget smartwatch from Z-Blaze. A lot of my subscribers were asking me to make a video on a smartwatch in the price range of around 1500 to 2000 rupees, and well, here it is. Z-Blaze has launched this new budget smartwatch a few weeks ago, and today in this video I'll unbox and give my full review on this product. This smartwatch actually comes in two variants. One is with a heart rate monitor and the other is without HR. The only difference between both the models is the non-HR variant has a simple LCD display with a CR2450 battery, whereas the HR variant has an IPS color display with a rechargeable lithium polymer battery. Rest everything else is same. The price difference between both of them is 800 rupees. So in this video I'll be showing you guys the Vibe 3 HR variant. The Z-Blaze Vibe 3 HR smartwatch comes in this sort of box. It says Vibe 3 HR over here. It's a smartwatch that can even track your fitness activities. At the back you've got some info related to the product. It says it's compatible with both Android and iPhones. And that's it, there's nothing much written on it. Let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Z-Blaze for sending me this product for review. Okay, on opening the box, we've got the Vibe 3 HR smartwatch at the top. It comes in three different colors. I've got the black color variant. Let me just take it out of the box. So here it is guys, let me peel all these stickers. By the way, the smartwatch feels quite light in the hand, weighs only around 75 grams. There we go. So this is how the Z-Blaze Vibe 3 HR looks like. Wow, it looks solid in the hand. It's got a tough and rugged design, and yes, it's also waterproof. The watch case has a diamond-like carbon coating and has a stainless steel backplate. Okay, we'll come back to the watch in a moment. First, let's see what else do we have in the box. You get a user manual, just make sure to read that for full info on the product. And a USB cable for charging the smartwatch. So these are all the items you got in the box. Now let's check out the smartwatch. The Z-Blaze Vibe 3 HR has a sporty design. It feels tough and rugged when you hold it, and I really like the bezel on it, gives a premium feel to the watch. As you can see, the display has a flat tire design with the Z-Blaze logo at the bottom. It's got 4 buttons on it, 2 on the left and 2 on the right, and looks like they're made of stainless steel. Talking about the display, it's got a 1.22-inch IPS color display with a resolution of 240 by 240. Now let me show you all the buttons. To the left you've got the power and back buttons, and on the right you've got up and down menu navigation buttons. There's nothing else on it, and the quality of the buttons is also good. Coming to the back side, this is how it looks like. It's got a stainless steel back with the heart rate monitor at the center and charging contacts at the top. As you can see, it says this watch is IP67 rated water resistant. Don't worry, we'll definitely put this watch to a water test later in the video. Talking about the bands, it's got 26mm watch straps made of TPU material and feel soft and durable. Now let me just remove the sticker on the display. There you go. Alright, let's power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. To power it on, you need to press this power button for about 2 to 3 seconds. And boom, the watch has booted up. That was super quick. Now what I'll do is I'll just set it up, use it for some time, and be right back to continue the video. Okay guys, I'm back. I wore the watch on my hand and this is how it looks like. It's definitely big in size and looks good. The straps also feel comfortable. The Vibe 3 HR also has raise to wake feature, so whenever you lift your hand like this, it automatically wakes up the display. Now that's pretty handy, you don't need to press any button to check the time. If you don't want to use that feature, you can even turn it off from the app settings. Now let's talk about the display and then I'll show you all of its apps and features. The Vibe 3 HR has a 1.22-inch IPS color display with 240 by 240 resolution, and I have to say it looks pretty good for the price. The screen looks sharp, the text is easily readable, the colors also look nice, and the brightness is also decent. One more awesome thing is, it's got Corning Gorilla Glass 4 protection on the top. That is really surprising. For the price, I totally didn't expect that. So this is how the home screen on it looks like. The watch faces are also customizable. This is the default one which shows the date and time, battery level, and all the fitness related info right on the home screen. The Z-Blaze Vibe 3 HR has 3 different watch faces and you can change them directly from the watch itself. When the display is on, press the power button to switch between different watch faces, just like this. So these are the 3 different available watch faces. All the 3 of them are digital style clocks. They look nice and colorful, but I wish the company had also added some analog ones too. Okay, now let me show you the menu and all of its features. You can access the menu by pressing either the up or down button. So first up, it shows you the number of steps taken per day. And also guys, if you notice, each of these modes have their own animations which feel nice and gives a bit of life to the menu. Next, it shows you how many calories you've burnt per day. the distance traveled in kilometers. Then we have the heart rate monitor. We'll check it out in a moment. It also has smart sleep monitoring, which is really nice. And this is the Messages app, which shows you all sorts of messages from different sources on your phone. Next on the list, we have the sports section, using which you can keep a track on variety of activities which include walking, running, football, badminton, basketball, table tennis, cycling, climbing, and a lot more. All you need to do is press this power button to start recording your activity. This watch also has a stopwatch function on it, which you can start with the power button and reset using the up or down buttons. It also has Find My Phone feature, and finally you have the power off. So that was our complete overview on the watch and all of its features. Now let's test the heart rate monitor on it. The heart rate monitor is present only on the HR variant. You can access it from the menu like this and press the start button to start measuring your heart rate. The heart rate monitor on it was working very well. It was giving accurate results almost 85% of the time. Now let me tell you about the app that you need to install on your phone to set up the watch. The name of the app is Wear Health. It's available on both Play Store and App Store. And this is how its interface looks like. It's a very simple app with minimalistic UI. On the home screen, it shows you all the fitness related info like the number of steps taken per day, the distance traveled, sleep analysis, and the HR info. All the data from the watch automatically gets synced with the app as soon as you connect them via Bluetooth. So like this, you can keep a track on your fitness activity on a daily, weekly, or even monthly basis. In the Sports tab, you can keep a track on variety of sport activities including information like location, distance traveled, and more. The app uses GPS on your phone to save such info. There's no built-in GPS on the watch. Now let me show you the Settings tab. From here you can set your personalized fitness goals and targets. Coming to the device management, you have a lot of settings here which include continuous heart rate monitoring. Yes, you've got continuous heart rate measurement on it, but using that will definitely drain your battery a bit faster. Along with that, you've got raise to wake display on off, call alerts, SMS alerts. So yes, the watch will notify you whenever you get a call or message on your phone. I'll show you how that works in a moment. You also have Do Not Disturb. In the More Reminders, you can enable or disable the app alerts. It supports a variety of apps. I've enabled app notifications only for Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. So whenever I get any notifications from these social media apps, the watch will alert me. Along with those, you've got other different reminders as well. You can also set alarms on it, change the time format, and the units. So those were all of its settings. Now there is one more special feature called as Shake to shoot photos. In this mode, you can use the watch as a remote to shoot photos on your phone. You just need to shake your watch like this and your phone gets ready to take a photo. Pretty cool, right? So that was our detailed look at the app and all of its special features. It's a good app, all the features were working fine, and I had no issues so far. Now let me show you how the call notifications appear on the watch. So whenever you get a call on your phone, the watch starts vibrating and alerts you like this. It even shows you the name of the person calling you. You can only dismiss the notification. There's no option to answer or reject the call. And this is how you get message notifications. It shows you the content of the message and also the name of the person sending it. You can only view the message. There's no option to reply from the watch. Now it's time to put this watch to a waterproof test. The Z-Blaze Vibe 3 HR is IP67 rated water resistant. That means it's dust proof and can be dropped in water up to 1 meter for about 30 minutes. And to test that, we'll be dropping the watch in this bowl full of water. So let's see if the watch survives. The good thing is you can even use the watch underwater using its buttons. The Vibe 3 is IP67 rated, so even if you take a shower with the watch, nothing's gonna happen to it. But the company says it's not recommended to use the watch while swimming or diving. Okay, now let's take the watch out and see if it works. Looks like everything is normal and the watch is working perfectly fine. The Vibe 3 HR has passed my water test. Coming to the battery life, it has a built-in 180 mAh battery, and on an average I was getting around 3 to 4 days of battery life on a full charge with all the features including the notifications turned on. If you disable all of those features and use it only as a simple watch, you'll get around 5 to 6 days of battery life, and charging it took around 1.5 hours. So that was my review on the Z-Blaze Vibe 3 HR budget smartwatch. It's a really good watch for the price. The build quality is nice, it's IP67 rated water resistant, has a heart rate monitor, can keep a track on variety of activities and offers a decent battery life. The only thing I felt the company could add was more number of watch faces, and also I wish it had a touchscreen. Rest everything else was good for the price. The Vibe 3 cost only around 1400 rupees and the Vibe 3 HR cost 2400 rupees. But guys, keep an eye on these websites because 11.11 sale is coming up and they will be selling the Vibe 3 HR variant for only 1900 rupees. I'll leave links to all of these in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you all liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.